How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yes Man back with another video. And today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Vivitar wireless dual LED lights selfie stick tripod. Alright. If you haven't already, guys, subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed, please turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop videos in the future. As always, I encourage you guys to drop your questions and comments below, and I get back to you at my earliest convenience. Alright. If you've been watching my channel for a while, I reviewed a couple cheap tech items from this company called Vivitar. They've been around for a while, and some of this stuff is kind of hit and miss. So when I saw this, like, selfie stick basically reinvented, so I had to check it out. It stepped the game up with the era of vlogging taking off, so we'll check it out. This is one of those cheap but effective tech videos. Okay. Real quick around the box. See that selfie stick. When was the last time you picked up a selfie stick? Right? Okay, real quick, we're going to unbox it, see what you get. And I'll try to pop in the Galaxy Fold. Give you guys a demonstration. Alright. So it's all in the box. That's a selfie stick / tripod. Come with a USB dongle for charging it. It is Bluetooth. And the LED lights, of course. Let's do this. Instructions. But we're going to try without the instructions. Charging cable. Alright, so this is it. So real quick, of course, you just split it open and go in tripod mode, right? Now just close the legs, open it, and extend. And I do need to read that. So it extends to between 7 and 36 inches. Okay. So even with it out like that, you can still pop it open in the tripod. Now it's not as sturdy. It ain't sturdy worth a damn. I wouldn't suggest that. Okay. Anyway, 36 inches. Alright. Selfie stick. Tripod. So right here is the Bluetooth pairing button. It's also the button you're gonna click to snap your pictures. Let's see what this part is. So these are your LED lights on the side here, and then here is the holster for your phone. All right. So we pause the video and connect the Bluetooth and see what we got going on. Okay, y'all. So I thought it was important that I'm pretty sure a lot of people have paired Bluetooth items, but I'll just show you anyway. So you hold down the button here. My fat thumb is over the light, but you see the light start blinking blue, and you go into your Bluetooth settings. I hope y'all can see this. All right. You scroll down to the bottom, and what do we want? I don't see it over here. Y'all see it? Alright, let's hit scan. Okay, y'all. So this is why it's good to read instructions on tech you're not familiar with. Alright. I thought it was pretty straightforward like any other tech. Maybe it is, but I missed it. So the Bluetooth blinking for the remote is 2L36. Y'all make that out. 2L36. So we're gonna tap it. And oh yeah, it's asked me to pair. I'm gonna pair. And once you pair, it should be in the very top there. There it is. 2L36. Also, what I just discovered, this is a remote itself, so it's detachable. So if you try to take pictures or record from a distance, you just hang on to this. Alright, it's just a little single button. Okay. So once you get that done, you'll set up in tripod mode. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but it's not too sturdy with heavy phones. Now, keep in mind, I got one of the heaviest phones on the market, the Fold 3. So, I think any other phone, it should be fine. But it's almost two phones in one, so, you know, just throwing it out there. Alright, I know a couple of you guys own folds that follow me, so. Anyway. Okay, y'all. Sorry about all my junk in the background, but I had to adjust the camera up so you guys can see me working with the LED lights. So each LED light you can charge individually. Alright, on the side, there's a port there, micro USB. Another side, there's another port. Okay, not a fan of that, but it is what it is. They could at least gave you two cables or whatever. Most of us got USB cables laying around. Alright, so while you have charging them individually, you also power them on individually. So on this side, there's a button on top. Alright, you tap it to brighten it or dim it, and on this side, it's on the bottom. That one embarrassing me. And put a little juice on it, and I'll come back. Okay, y'all, we back. Got it fully charged up. It only takes about 30 minutes for a full charge on each LED light. Alright. So like I was saying, the power button for this one is on the bottom or on the top, and you just hold it. And for this one, it's on the bottom. Alright, there you go. Both of them lit up. So if you tap the light, you can adjust the brightening settings. It's only two settings: bright and dim, or less bright. I'll turn on bright for the purpose of the video. Okay. So at this point, you're ready to go. You're vlogging, you're doing your Zoom chat or whatnot. You look right into it, you got your phone set up. You can go from there, your face is well lit. Okay. You go in selfie mode, you can do it from the tripod, just like this. Again, you already lit up. Get your remote set up, tap it. Actually, I think I had to open the camera. Okay, like I was saying, y'all, sorry about that. I had a little technical difficulty. You open up the camera settings, open up your camera, got your button here, you click it, you snap a picture. That simple. So if you're trying to snap pictures and you want to bid it yourself, you know, the group picture, set the tripod up at a distance, or put it in selfie stick mode, hold it up high, and have your remote in one hand and click. It also do video, but you have to switch it to video yourself. So you go video, see right there. Click the button. And you can see it start recording. Alright. And to stop recording, just click it again. Cheap, effective tech. That's what this video is about. This bad boy was 20 bucks. I feel like it's worth more. I feel like it's worth about 40. I would have paid 40 for it. Especially with the spring and summer coming, gonna be doing some traveling. You know, you're gonna want your selfie stick or your tripod or whatnot. And you know, this is all in one with a remote. All right, can't beat that. No batteries, just keep a portable charger with you. You charge each LED and go for there. Batteries in these remotes last for a really long time, so you don't have to worry about carrying a spare battery or whatnot. Okay. For those who are wondering, this is what it looks like on the back side. Okay. This locks in pretty good. Like I said, it's just because my phone is so heavy. But this locks in really well. I hate it's not adjustable, you know, the tightness of it, but like I said, I'm locked in. It'll lock your phone in. And then this is your tripod kickstand. Simple. Alright. As always, I encourage you guys to drop your comments and questions below. Especially though something like this might have been something I missed. Me personally, I feel like I rushed the video. I hope I covered everything. If I didn't, please drop your question below and I'll get an answer for you. Okay. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn those notifications on so you'll be notified when I drop videos in the future. It's your boy Yes Man out.